Hi, here we have a question from exercise 11.4, question number 5. How many liters of milk can a hemispherical bowl of diameter 10.5 hold? So here we have a hemispherical bowl. The diameter is 10.5 centimeter, and we need to find out how much volume of milk it can hold. So as it's a shape of hemisphere, so we can write volume of hemisphere is equals to 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now, as we know, diameter is 10.5. We can apply the radius 10.5 by 2. Radius cube. So we will write 3 times 10.5 by 2. Now, here simple calculation we need to follow. Remove the decimal point. Place a 0 here. And this 2 and 2 will cancel it out. 2 tens are 20. 2 11. Now, 7 and 105. 7 ones are 7. 7 5s are 35, 3 and 15, 3 5s are 15. So we have this 55 divided by 10, we can convert it to 5.5, and then 10.5, 10.5 divided by 2. Now 5.5 and 2, we can cancel it out. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10, that is 2.75 into 10.5 into 10.5. So after multiplication of 2.75, 10.5 and 10.5, what we get is 303, approximately 303 centimeter cube. Now this we know we need to convert into liters. Now we know that 1 liter is equals to 1000 centimeter cube. So to convert 303 centimeter cube into liters, we need to divide it by 1000. So 303 divided by 1000, this converts it into liters. So this gives us 0.303 liters. So this much of milk this bowl can hold.